what I'm happy with is that my second assessment has also come true. Now, why I would say it was always true, because I gave the references of the news, certified news from China and from Western media about what satellite system Iran is using at the moment. So yesterday, Rick Sanchez, a TV journalist, he came up with one video. He came up with his doubts that why Iran is being so effective in this war and hitting the targets much more than previously. And he said maybe it's the Chinese satellite system they have been using.
My sense is that the special satellite equipment that the Chinese got into the hands of the Iranians are a big part of the reason that the Iranian missiles are hitting their targets as effectively and as surprisingly effectively as they are.
Bingo. So for a guy who has hits on a video like 60, 50 hits, has been saying this from day one the war started, and now the international, with more international analysts are saying the same thing, which this little guy, as for you, otherwise, trust me, Rose, you have no idea what I'm capable of and what I've been doing. So I'm not in a bad sense, but jack of all trades and master of all too. And there's a confirmation for you. So to beat your enemy, you need to know your enemy. If you don't know your enemy, you'll always get surprises, like the Indian Air Force got the surprises. And Pakistan Air Force has the medals, the awards of shooting down 7+1 fighter jets using our whatever Chinese technology you say is not good, but it's a copy. And we have downed Rafales, MiG-29s, Mirage 2000s, Sukhoi 30s, and the Israeli drones. I'm really sorry for the new subscribers who are influenced by majority is authority, and they think that probably a video that has lesser views does not contain any contents of their interest. And of course, my videos are not what they want to hear. So it doesn't matter. Even I have 60 views on a video, 10 views, 7 views, I am shadow banned. Why shadow banned right after this conflict? Because of my videos. Although my channel is not so big, but it's one of the only channels that come up with something, against the will of the people who are trying to build a narrative of this war with Iran, justify this war with Iran because of the nukes. You don't have the nukes. But anyhow, this is their geopolitical agenda. I'm shadow banned. My reach has gone 0, and that has never happened on my channel, although it's a small channel. My real channel is the different channel where I have about 250K subscribers. And my last year, from May to May, from 1 year, I went up till 150 million views on my different videos. But that's about a totally different topic. So I don't earn money from my YouTube channel. It's totally volunteer job of mine. And I do it in English because it's a universal language. Because one of the guy was so pissed because I gave a narrative that is against his government narrative. So he was pissed because of that. So, you try to speak English with the mouth open. Hello. Am I running a puppet show here? But again, this means that my video has really hit some nerves of some people. It's okay. I don't care. If this channel is going to be banned, I'm going to open a new channel because I don't live on the money earned by YouTube, unlike your narrative builders who are actually paid to do that, and they get their bots and everything to promote their channels. And then you're selling what? Underwears and vests. Well, there's a job, so I shouldn't be laughing at that job. Everyone has their own ways to earn money. So that's my point of view. Now let's get to the next one. Third thing, see, my videos, my content is exclusive in a sense that I put myself in the feet of the people who are actually involved in these kind of scenarios. So I give both sides point of view. For example, in F-15 video, I gave clear cut that what the pilots who were going back, returning to base, what were they thinking? What would have been their feelings? Fully under the impression of being relaxed, they just threw out their payload and dropped all the bombs on Iranian Air Force or whatever the ground attacks they were given, because F-15 is a bomber. And a bomber does the bombing mission. So what they have to do is they have to go up to a height and drop their laser-guided missiles or whatever they have, the cruise missiles or anything from air to ground. So once they empty their payload, now they have to return to the base. So once you're returning to the base and you're going through the friendly zone with the coalition country, you would be relaxed. And then I gave the point of view of the F-18 pilot. He has no idea that he has shot the friendly aircraft. He did his job. Otherwise, if he weren't convinced, he would not have made those kills. He was 100% convinced that these are the foe aircrafts and I have to shoot them down. And once you shoot them down, that's it. Kill 1 confirmed, 2 confirmed, 3 confirmed, and return to base. By the way, by the joke, he's been given an award of excellence by the committee president. Well, this is a joke. But given his point of view, what was he thinking when he saw these F-15 Eagles? Yeah, and then you present both the views, and then you come up with a conclusion or make an opinion, not by one-sided. Then that makes you sheeples. That makes you the blind followers of certain narrative. But anyhow, that's not my problem. But Pakistan Air Force, Zindabad, Pakistan, Bindabad, Allah Hafiz.